Now we see progressive and perfect tense. Progressive or the continuous tense. It shows the continuation of something or the progress of an action at a certain time. From the example, run, I am running a marathon right now. That is the present progressive or the present continuous. Past continuous, I was running a marathon at this time last year. Future continuous, I will be running a marathon next Sunday. Please go through the examples. Perfect tense. Perfect tense is used as present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. The present perfect tense describes an action that has started in the past and continues to the present time. Let us go to the example. I have run several marathons this year. The past perfect tense describes an action that started and ended in the past. I had run many marathons in the past. The future perfect tense describes future actions that will occur before some other action. Example, I will have run a marathon by the time I turn 30. Please go through the examples for better understanding. And please exercise the quiz. Thank you.